Greetings! In this tutorial, we will explore how to effectively utilize the chat feature within an Airmeet event. Let's delve into the details. During the event, you can conveniently access the feed or chat feature located on the right-hand side of your screen. To actively participate, kindly follow these steps. 1. Click on the feed or chat icon. 2. Type in your message. 3. Hit the send button. Additionally, you have the option to enhance your messages with emojis and GIFs to add a touch of creativity to the conversation. Responding to a chat is equally simple. Just follow these steps. 1. Hover over the chat you wish to reply to and click on the arrow icon that appears. Now you can compose your response. 2. You can express your reactions to messages by using emoji responses. Furthermore, let's explore some additional functionalities accessible through the three-dot icon located on the right side of the chat. 1. Send out direct or private messages. Attendees can communicate directly with one another through private messages. 2. Report users in case of misconduct. If any inappropriate behavior is observed, attendees have the option to report the respective user for necessary actions. In conclusion, the chat feature in Airmeet empowers you to engage actively during events, fostering valuable interactions and networking opportunities. So, make the most of this functionality to enhance your event experience. Happy networking!